You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make milky chim chim for commercial purposes. Yes, you can make a very rich, delicious, and yummy chim chim for and sell. Yes, though things are very expensive, there are still people that want quality, not quantity. You can see how lovely they are looking. Okay, let's get right into the video. For the ingredients, you need 150 grams of flour, 6 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon or 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 300 grams of margarine or butter. Crack your eggs one after the other. You can crack, don't mind me, today I'm cracking everything right in because I just bought them new. Though it's not allowed in baking terms, I think it's right. You do it one after the other to be sure, so that you will not ruin the others. That's for the egg. So I washed my hand very well, so I still need my paper towel to dab the waters a bit, and I'll start mixing all the dry ingredients first. My cornstarch right in, my baking powder right in, my cinnamon, like I said, you can also use nutmeg, that's salt, my sugar, and I'll mix very well thoroughly before adding my butter. Please, if your butter has been in the fridge or fridge for a long time, please, before you use, bring it out to at least room temperature, or you microwave it a bit before use. The same thing with your milk if you're using fresh milk. So when you have this lovely texture, you pour in your eggs and continue mixing. Add your vanilla flavor to it, and you start adding your milk bit by bit as you incorporate all the ingredients together. If you cannot mix it very well in this bowl, please clean your work surface and knead on your work surface. This is very much, so the dough is much, so I think I will pour out to my work surface and I will continue. Take your time to knead very well. Please be careful not to over add your milk. If you are considering making more gain, you can skip the milk and use milk powder or milk flavor and use water for the mixing. Yes, but I just want to make this chin chin very rich, that's why I'm using the milk. So you can see the 2 cups of milk will still have little left. I'm okay with this though. I'll just put back to the bowl to rest while I get ready for the cutting. I added some little flour to all my baking trays that I'll be using and sprinkled to the work surface for easy cutting. I try my best not to sprinkle much flour to this because I don't want the flour to condemn my oil quick. So I cut the dough a little at a time to enable me cut very well. Take your time to roll out and you cut to your desirable shape. There is no compulsory style for this, so feel free to cut to your taste. Give your own design or twist, no problem, it's still okay. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. Please feel free to be a part of this channel. Feel free to be a part of this page by clicking on the subscribe button, click on follow button, like my video, share to your friends and family that loves good thing. I'm also on Facebook right now at progressive recipes. Yeah, join me on my Facebook page. Feel free to be a part. Comment, let's talk together. I'm more happy interacting and chatting with you. So feel free to be a part of this lovely page and channel. So I'll continue till I'm done. And if you have not liked my video at this point, what are you waiting for? So feel free to give me thumbs up. So many people are so worried about separating after cutting, but to me, I don't worry about it. I don't know why, but that's the truth. When you have a good dough, you don't need to stress about it. Yes, I don't waste my time separating this one after the other so that it will not stick. No, I fry this way and it comes out beautiful. You don't need to worry because right inside the oil it will separate by itself. So why worry? So the main thing is get your recipe right. If your recipe is right, every other thing will be pretty fine. So you can see the ones I've packed already. So I'm just packing and keeping. That is all. Okay, it's time to fry. Just you can use one just to test if your oil is ready. If it comes up, you know your oil is ready. Always fry in deep frying pan. If you don't have deep frying pan, feel free to use your pot. It's better. So you can see how I'm packing it inside. I'm not scared because I know it will separate on its own. So just watch the magic. You don't need to even stir it around. Just be sure everything is covered. At this point, I was not happy because I packed much, but still no wahala. I need to allow it to do the magic. Make sure you fry on a low heat. Very important. Medium heat, not too low. If it's too low, it will suck oil, but if it's high, it will burn easily. So please, better medium heat is preferable. You can see the magic. Everything is separating on its own, one after the other. So that is it. All you need is a good dough. If your dough and recipe is right, every other thing will fall in place. So right now I can easily turn and check around so that the down part will not burn because I overpacked the chin chin. You can see how lovely and beautiful it's looking. Yeah. So I'll continue frying till I have that lovely golden brown. Yeah, I'm looking for. The last time I posted chin chin recipe, I got a lot of comments about foaming oil. At first, I think I was thinking it's all about reusing oil, but I think it's not. When your oil is over foaming, it's not wrong when your oil is foaming, but when it's over foaming, that simply means that your dough has much moisture in it. Yeah, much water or liquid content in it. It doesn't look dry before you start frying. So when you're cutting your dough, instead of, if you're making large batch, I think it's better as you're cutting you're frying than packing everything and it will start looking soggy before you start frying. Look at that, pretty, looking so beautiful. So that is that. It's looking so lovely. So I'll continue frying till everything is done. So chin chin is everything about baking and frying and caking. Is all about how you purchased your ingredients. Some people will love to ask, how much are you going to sell one? How much are you going to sell one? It doesn't really matter. What matters is for you to calculate how much you got your recipes, how much the ingredients cost, remove your own cost, and you add what you're adding. That is just it. my price and your price must not be the same. No, it's not possible, because my location price in the market price might be different from yours, and it can easily affect. Yeah, so try your best to know your price of your ingredients. Put it down, very important, so that you can easily know how to cost, either you are when you're baking cake or when you're making your pastries and all that. You can see me tying my chinchilla. Like I said, it's commercial, yeah. So this is going for something like, you can call it party or something, whatever. So that's just it. So feel free to tie. If you don't have something beautiful like this, you can get there are some sealed bags. You can use stapling machine to seal the top, so that air will not penetrate. Very, very important. That is that. So I'll keep tying till I'm done. If you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please give me thumbs up, comment, and feel free to ask questions. Feel free to comment. Please follow me up on Facebook at Progressive Recipes. Yes, we'll have a page on Facebook right now. We'll have also on Telegram. We can communicate together. Feel free to get in touch with me one-on-one, so you can see that looking so pretty and lovely. So that is that. I'm done. So I'm so happy you joined to the end. Please, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not. Like, share. Please share my videos. Thank you. I love you. Bye.